Hi, we are given to simplify root of x squared plus s squared equal to x squared to find the value of x. Our left-hand side from this equation can be expressed as root of 2s squared equal to s squared. Now we take the square of both sides. Our equation becomes root of 2s squared all squared equal to s squared all squared. So our square here, we cancel out our square root and we have 2x squared equal to x raised to the power of 4. So our equation becomes x raised to the power of 4 minus 2x squared equal to 0. If we factorize, we have that x squared is giving us x squared minus 2 equal to 0. We have that a times b is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Therefore, our equation becomes x squared is equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to 0. Or x squared minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have that x squared is equal to 2. If we take the root of both sides, our equation becomes x squared root equal to root of 2. So our squared cancel out the square root. So x is equal to plus or minus root of 2. So therefore, x is equal to 0 or s is equal to plus or minus root of 2. Let's check if our equation is correct. We have that root of x squared plus x squared is equal to x squared. So we have that our s is equal to root of 2. So we can obtain that root of 2 all squared plus root of 2 all squared equal to root of 2 all squared. So from here, we know that this becomes root of 4 equal to 2. Root of 4 is equal to 2, and this is equal to 2. So therefore, our equation is correct. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.